Hey YouTube, it's JP Dillon. I just picked up a Baby Lakewood. These are tiny box fans. You don't see very many of them, especially not around here. And this one was a freebie where the cord was quote-unquote cut, which we can see lying in the bottom there. So I am going to reattach this cord, and we're going to see if this thing runs, and if so, oil it up and enjoy it. And if not, it just goes in the bin anyways, and since it was a freebie, I really don't care all that much. So let's go ahead and get the grill off, and let's reattach the cord. Alright, so there's our original cord. Looks like it was very cleanly cut. This is a model c-122x. That's a good bearing. Oh yeah. See if I can see the oil port down in here. This needs to be cleaned out. Lots of hair and gunk and whatever else. I think this just pulls off. Let me get two hands and see if I can yank it. Nope, it don't want to yank. Trying to see if I can find the oil port down in here. Is that it right there? Top? Nope, that's not it. Got it there. There's just so much gunk in here. I can clean this up a little bit. Yeah, let's hold the camera upright. Okay, well, does the front bearing not have an oil spout? I mean, geez. Alright, anyways. Let's get this out of the way. Tilt this up. And there's our strain relief right there. I have a tool for this. And that's this guy. Let's see if I can grab a hold of that. Give it a squeeze and a yank. Alright, there we go. Let's make me a splice. Okie dokie. So we got that spliced, that spliced. I got it staggered so that there isn't a possibility that they touch together, they'll short. Let's get some heat shrink tubing. Alright, first stage of heat shrink is on there. Let's shrink it down. Now with that done, I'm going to pull through the second sleeve to cover those two, which I need two hands to do, so let's pull that forward. Alright, so that's all heat shrunk down and the splice is good, so now we can put this back in with the strain relief. Okay, she's all back in there. And splice is there. It's out of the way of the fan blades. Okay. I still haven't found any instance of an oiler spout on the front, although the rear of the fan does have some stuff. I'm just cleaning the fuzz out of the vent holes in the motor here. This looks like a GE motor, actually. I could be wrong. Yeah, I'm just not seeing anything. So I think what I'll do is I'll just get my oiler syringe and just do the top bearing there, best guess possible, trickling it down the shaft. And see, now I feel real stupid because if I had taken off the back part, I would have seen that it clearly says oil here. So let me get the zoom spout thing and we'll just give this thing a nice fresh drink. I do love me some zoom spout. I'm going to shake the crap out of the camera here so that everyone gets motion sickness. And I'm just going to fill this thing up. It's taking a nice drink. Let's go to the front. Do the same until it starts to overflow. Alrighty. Let's clean up our little mess, and then we'll dust off the blades and the cage and stuff and fire it up. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it runs. Pretty well. I am happy with that. Got a nice spin down, no scary motor noises, no fire. Excellent. Let's put the cages back on. Alright, there's the front one. And there's the back one. This thing moves plenty of air just on low. I like it. I thought about cleaning off the child's spirograph etchings there in the blades, but I don't really care. This thing works really well. I mean, geez, it's like a wind tunnel. So this will get put to good use. I've been looking for one of these for a long time. Not really crazy about the beige color, but there's always paint. The grills are intact, motor's quiet. I'm happy with it. I'm betting the kid cut off the cord and the parent out of frustration just chucked it at the curb. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little fix-it video. More stuff to come.